Imagine a world where agreements execute themselves, no lawyers, no banks, no middlemen. Just pure digital trust. That world already exists, and it's powered by something called smart contracts. But what exactly are they, and why are they reshaping how we do business in the digital age? A smart contract is a self-executing agreement written in computer code and stored on a blockchain. It's like a digital vending machine. Once the required conditions are met, it automatically delivers the outcome. No waiting for approvals, no hidden fees, and no third parties needed. This simple concept is revolutionizing industries, from finance to real estate, healthcare, and even entertainment. Here's how it works. A blockchain acts as a public, secure ledger. When two parties agree on terms, they encode them into a smart contract. Once the contract is on the blockchain, it becomes immutable, no one can alter it. If the programmed conditions are fulfilled, the contract executes automatically. For example, imagine renting a car. Once your payment hits the blockchain, the digital key to unlock the car is released to you instantly. It's fast, transparent, and trustworthy. The real power of smart contracts lies in their independence. Traditional agreements rely on intermediaries, lawyers, brokers, or banks, to verify and enforce trust. Smart contracts remove that layer entirely, replacing human oversight with transparent code. That not only saves time and money but also eliminates human error and corruption. In essence, code becomes law. Of course, this technology isn't perfect. Once deployed, smart contracts can't be easily changed, which means errors in the code could have serious consequences. They also depend on accurate data inputs, known as oracles, to trigger actions correctly. But as blockchain ecosystems mature, these challenges are being addressed with more sophisticated systems and safeguards. From decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms to NFTs and automated supply chains, smart contracts are the backbone of the Web3 revolution. They allow strangers across the globe to cooperate without knowing or trusting one another, because the trust is built into the system itself. As we stand at the edge of a digital transformation, understanding smart contracts is no longer optional, it's essential. They're not just a tech buzzword, they're a blueprint for a future where transparency, efficiency, and autonomy redefine how humans interact. So, what do you think? Are smart contracts the ultimate solution to global trust, or just the first step toward an even smarter digital world?